Welcome to Siksha Maths Academy. Now, today we will discuss the parabola chapter in IIT and JEE other competitive exams. It's very important topic. So, see the first one. Y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx. This is the curve parabola equation. Y square is equal to 4x and this is the line y is equal to mx. Now the area is equal to 8 by 3 into a cube by m cube. Next, see the second form. Y square is equal to 4x, but line is different here. Y is equal to mx plus c. So the area is equal to 72 into a square by m cube. The shortcuts. Okay. Now, see the second form, x square is equal to 4by. Actually, parabola equations are two forms. X square is equal to 4by and y square is equal to 4x. Okay. Now, x square is equal to 4by and y is equal to mx. The area is equal to 8 by 3 into b square into m cube. Next, see the second one in this method. X square is equal to 4by and y is equal to mx plus c. A is equal to 72 b square into m cube. Okay. So, if you have to perfect this method, 4 marks is in your hands. Okay. See the first question. The area in square units of the bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2 is, see the first option is 5 by 4 and the second option is 9 by 8 and C is, third option is 7 by 8 and fourth option is 3 by 4. This is the JEE 2019 April question mark. Okay. Now, first see the forms. What is the given curve? X square is equal to 4y. Which form this is? So what is the given curve? X square is equal to 4y. He is in the form of this one and this one. X square is equal to 4by. This form. Comparing with x square is equal to 4by. So 4b is equal to 4. So b is equal to 1. Now see the line. So what is the given line here? X is equal to 4y minus 2. But our line form is y is equal to mx or y is equal to mx plus c. But here x is equal to 4y minus 2. First you have to convert in this form. Okay. So minus 2 send this side. X plus 2 is equal to 4y. Again 4 also send this side. X by 4 plus 2 by 4 is equal to y. Now comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. Now m is equal to, what is the m value? Comparing with m is equal to 1 by 4. So x coefficient 1 by 4 and c is equal to 2 by 4. C is need not. Okay, now take the formula. Which form? The area of the square units. X square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. What you have to take the formula? X square is equal to 4by and y is equal to mx plus c. Which formula? X square is equal to 4by and y is equal to mx plus c. This one, a is equal to 72 b square m cube. So area is equal to 72 b square m cube. That is equal to 72 into, what is the b value? 1. So 1 square into m value is 1 by 4 whole cube. That is equal to 72 into 1 square 1. So 1 by 4 means 64. See the 9 table, 9 8 table. 8 8s are 8 9s are. That is equal to 9 by 8. So second option. Okay. Next, see the second question. The area of the region bounded by A is equal to x comma y set of x square is equal to x square less than or is equal to y and less than or is equal to x plus 2. Okay. How can you take the curve and line? Okay. Now, see here x square is equal to y and line y is equal to x plus 2. Here comparing with x square is equal to 4by. Again comparing with x square is equal to 4by. Here 4b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Next y is equal to, comparing with this y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. So x square is equal to 4by and y is equal to mx plus c. Which form? How to using this formula? Area A is equal to 72 B square M cube. So 72 B square 1 by 4 whole square into M cube 1 cube. 1 cube means 1. No? So 72 into 1 by 4 whole square. So 1 by 16. Now again 8 table. 8 2s are 8 9s are. That is equal to 9 by 2 square units. Okay. Now the third one, the area of the region A is equal to set of x comma y square less than or is equal to x and y greater than or is equal to 4x minus 1. What you have to take here? The curve is y square is equal to x and line is equal to y is equal to 4x minus 1. So what you have to take the formula? Y square is equal to 4x. So y square is equal to 4x is in the form y square is equal to 2x is in the form of y square is equal to 4x and this is y is equal to 4x minus 1. This means is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. What do you take the formula? A is equal to 8 by 3 into 8 cube by m cube. Next, the area of the region bounded by set of y square by 2 and less than or is equal to x and y less than or is equal to y plus 4. Here curve on line. Your options is 53 by 4, B is 18, C is 30, D is equal to 16. Okay, take the homework and the answer is in comment box. Okay.